Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create a custom product page using Elementor. Let's get started. In order to make this possible, we need to head over and install Elementor first. Now from in there, click on this create a page in order to create your custom product page. Now in here, let's rename this in order to show in here that we have in here a product page. So we can also add in here a container. Now let's add in here a container, and then once a container has been added, we should be able to add in here a widget. So let's click on this plus right here, and we should be able to be shown the widget products. Now search in here for the widget called product, and you should be able to see in here a lot of widgets that you can use for this case. So take note that some widgets are paid and only available on the Elementor Pro. So just choose which ones you want to use for this case. For me, I'll choose this Woo product table. Then as you can see, it has been added. You just need to select your table that you want to use for this case. And I have selected my clothes table, and as you can see, they have been added right here. Now in here, you can change it up according to your liking. You can also change the name of this Elementor 3663 into a products table right here. Now you can see that we have in here a search box, the categories, the tags. And in here, you can see that we have in here our product. You can also expand its actual size if you want to as well. So let's head over and expand the width for this one. So you can make this bigger here as well. You can see right here that the width is default. So you can head over and choosing here full width if you want to as well. Take note that this will take some time in order to be reflected. Or you can also assign here an inline or custom width for this particular thing. So you can also change up the size, the position, or anything that has been added. You can also change up the styles or the color that has been used in this particular table. So for example, let's choose in here more of a pink background color. And as you can see, it has been changed into just like that. From in there, click on this publish option, and then you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, then leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.